Okay, folks, it says geography. The areas of the continents in millions of square miles are Africa, 11.7, Antarctica, 5.4, Asia, 17, Australia, 3.0, Europe, 4.1, North America, 9.4, South America, 6.9, and then it says draw an appropriate graph. Well, you know, I could think about a bar graph, I can think about a pictograph, and I can think about a line graph. But you know, line graphs really help me when I'm looking at one thing or a couple of things and how they change over time. But I'm not looking at that here. I'm comparing quantities from different areas. So for this one, I'm going to want to use a bar graph. Okay? So I'm going to draw the vertical axis and then the horizontal. All right, like that. Let's see, the highest that I'm going to go up to, it looks like is 17 for Asia. Is that right? So you know what? Let's make this, let's see, how many lines do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I'll tell you what, let's make this 20 up here. We'll count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do down on the bottom is I'm going to label them. Well, let's see. I may have to abbreviate a little bit. So, let me scoot up here so I can see that. Okay, so I'm going to go with Africa first. I'm going to do Antarctica. And you know what? I can go ahead and draw the bars. Africa goes up to 11.7, so that's about right here. Close to it. Not all the way up to 12. Oh, my pen is kind of, it's a little below 12. Okay? Antarctica is 5.4, so that's about right here, I think. Okay, there we go. And let's see, Asia's next. All right, let's try Asia. Now remember, Asia was what, 17? So that's way up here. All right. It looks like the board is not oriented well with my pen. They're a little off, so it's making the graphs a little higher. Australia is 3. AUS for Australia. And I'm going to put it right here. How's that? There's 3. Now I need to extend my graph a little bit so I can add the others in here. Alright. Europe is 4.1, so let's do EUR for Europe. We will go up to 4.1. Alright. And then North America, 9.4. We're in North America. Okay, that's a little too high, board. North America. All right, and let's see, South America, last one. South America, and how high should it go? 6.9. So about right here. That looks good. Nice. That's it. That's my bar graph. Done. And now I can compare them. I really can see that Asia is by far the biggest, almost twice as big as the United States, right? Africa is big. Or not the United States, North America, because North America obviously includes other countries like Canada and Mexico. But Australia is pretty small and Europe is pretty small. Interesting. That graph makes it easy to see. All right. Why is this graph misleading? Well, it's easy. Because it's a broken graph. That's why it's misleading. Because looking at it's a broken, graph. Looking at it, it looks like 1995 is what? 1, 2, 3, 5 times as large as 1996. But that's not true. It's just locked off from 0 to 50. 1996 is 50 and 1995 is 90. So it's not even twice as big, but it looks like it's 5 times as big. Okay? So the graph is misleading because it's a broken bar graph. Okay? All right, that's good. We could redraw the graph. I know you guys could, so that it wouldn't be misleading. Let's see. Let's look at this next one. Oh, you know what? I'm going to have to go to a new video for this one because I'm going to have to count all these words and do some probability stuff. But I'll see you on the next video.